Here at Eastman, we are advanced materials manufacturing sites. We have chemicals, we make window film, we make several other products, whether it be Triton, which is one of our plasticizers. We make a lot of different products that are really awesome that are out in the marketplace. We are the #1 window film manufacturer in the world for everybody, right? So one of our slogans is we make more film than Hollywood. We have a lot of openings for operators. That's something we have a need for constantly. Whether that's making the actual window film, whether it's breaking down, doing inspections from a quality standpoint, all of that from an operational standpoint. We also have opportunities for engineering, which is great because there's always improvements that have to be made.
What I love about my job is working in the fast-paced environment and trying to do the daily troubleshooting. And so in a sense, when there's something goes wrong, I go in and I look at it. So most of the time, a process should work a certain way. But my job is to look at it and see, why is it not working this way and what can we do to fix it? A lot of engineering work, while it's on the computer trying to do the paperwork, but what's really fun about it is that I get to go on the floor, work with the operators, and actually get dirty.
That's one of the great things about working here is you have that opportunity to grow, and they make sure they give you that opportunity to grow. You're coming out of high school, you don't know what you want to do. We have a great program here locally at the Patch Community College. We work with the PHCC, and we have what they call the CAFM program. And that program allows the user to come in, learn different aspects around safety, you learn different aspects around production, how to run machines, and you learn a lot of general knowledge around manufacturing in general. The great part about that is Eastman also pays for that program. So if you go, you get accepted into the CAFM program, Eastman pays for it all, whether you're an Eastman employee or not. And then, after the program is complete, you're actually guaranteed an interview. So that's something that once that program is complete, you're actually guaranteed an interview with our Eastman HR team.